Many Pamina scarf for Menje. So Omenjeba. And it's simple man. Pa anonfo bo anabre bottom. Osquafa lato mpuntu. Mpuntu baba inyeche MP mone MC enyimpa na anem branch ne bukwafo anofu anaba bokomi na analefi asafo enyimpa na oman moto enyimpa na anofu anaba abokomi anesucha na mo ene mpuntu baba shiba ade ne chida mwome hia se anamon suchini baba mche osoko mudi CPP mudi MPP nto ade de ka boche komebo abesipa na wonchi na mndwunu wa ho me na nyimpa nso chiwa na mo anu mche boche anembran amabo momuta ana mabeta aba acha mfun na mwo amaka maba cause anishimpa mompen wen ejina amso shimpa babo da anem branche anem pukwafo na amaboa na oma ne picture moso na wonchi ehwe esuante abokwasama obi biara etunu esi wode oye esuante hin ze oze na kra na nkwa boto ama esuante ma nde Ghana biara nyim zibiwa esuantefo wo Ghana na the way waka won bom we dwumazen e kwa brochimema America fosi America dream dam adaso no nye baze oyetuwa che iso a wonyinara wa ye kor de worry to the man amon na ama oman na akoka onamdo mande ebo America zina na chede oyekro a obiara isru oyekro a etumpu na obi apedoko yesu yebotumi ayebi ende yesi mbabun a wowo omani simpa efutu ojobi kese yetun safro woni na mbra so de won so obeche won
Sisimbo sabumbo sisimbo sabumbo
adaso no onye baze onenyi etu ache onenyi odo onenyi edwumazen onenyi mabronyi bakade never say die spirit ekroye yebesrem abayentem yana afesha yewo yana gruza yezi yana namuntu nyinara azusurunku bi na yempeyimfo woza ache yana yaran kasa yan shada ihun kasa da mazin or kachen onye hen abochir yakopo yakache wonsen ni chir wanchili keke was abota was inyansa was a kruye na was a chir wonsen because wonsen ya abo anu ya tru ogwanso papa izinu wa go so be pro oniti yan afina yezin echire yenusu de efutufu ye nkrofo a woye edwumazen efutufu nya akwadwefo ode yemaye mudo na dembre yakopoma yanzi yenyina aratin yama or reflect wo yan abrebo e ka de yenso manimu akokan akwentu na ados share West Hills Mall share Parliament job 600 abrunsin na adan akasa o East Legon ekebi se bisa woso wini be youth ka ho ye ne sa na adwumafo wo bankran wo bezipa wonye bebi mpunda wonye medwuma ye embraso de ye nyina ye baka de ye ba masimpa amane modo ne nansen a university fo wozi enhwammo a ye prede wo boboa mbebun na odu bebi oye kwasiebu won kasa ye ho wadwene de okita wo university o simpa asaso on nche do e simpa fo kote na what you want wo ana wo man contract yampa ba nyankopon na adom anamun biara mutui de meye project e wo simpa manka fa ho bi manka fa nkrofo bi wonkra maka da me set up a new breed of young entrepreneurs in Brentford was wope ankrankra dwuma won na me hye won gwa mbo won with dwettle the look mon start them mo ye dwuma nti ekọ new winneba edwuma record wo ho abefo tefia yerisi in the community centers na onye police station in the library ayesi na oye winneba youth winneba mason for steel benders plumbers won na wo ye dwuma bra answer for community center fe wa wesi wo ho in onye library oye simple nsa na dwuma fo yanka fo bi wo be biara nti bi so ho de ana yeru ntumi ye ye ko sekeja no community center oye simple brente na wo ye bra zongo community center oye simple brente na wo ye ko wonsom clinic ayesi ayesi papa ko damtini is not to do en onye ayi wo fa na community center yerisi en onye library a yesi opinion Kwame Debi na so wo friend I'm sorry is not to do en na ayesi simple brente ko nsuechi community center kesa yerisi wo wa ibi inyi bebiara conference centers in awu oye simple brente police station mercy wo nsuechi ena onye library onye obi na yakafa idu estate wo ye film pokeke edwume biara wo estate wo oye ya ye mbrente yara omma minya jezide yene mbrente iso wona hwe immo na kwenya wo botu waye
far workers over 300 and a create job ama community because I can tell you say boys amuwo community no say obia enya ne nsa no adwuma they say you are missing for your welders plumbers electricians carpenters and so forth name it you know construction is a big way into no any problem about workers and so far no workers so I form so it's uncountable into our community no say you more but with this estate you know a creative job a big job na ama worker boys ni nyina so far ya find workers ewo Jinjaze Jaze Nsuechi Atechedo Winneba a lot of places amunyina workers ewa ha amoye adwuma and in terms of workers there you need problem and ya timi ama boys ni so sabi obi anya ne kakrawa de opeso odi sua adwuma foforo no odi asua
me obi a magye simpa adaso ne tum yana adaso ne nyene da me mezi kana kan adaso ne nye edwumazen se iye edwumazen ne inyene ye ya wusu twon fi ohim mamba ye MP de merema ohiaba efutuma mamba ye MP de obiara benya nansa na edwuma waye onye factory akasa ni mbwe na o kire der yi edwuma na mbom edwuma nketenkete obi rutombru obi chu kelewole obi ozenam kwechima da mkrofi na ebuon wonyo jetir wozi ye wona edwuma na chede nkaka omanu mu reyesho omanu rekonekan obi aririnya zebiu papedi na ninyina abokodro na akodu ye ya mi jezinyi de mbrente na mbebu na washa nketesia na washa asen odi ye shawonma ntibesre youth mombraso youth me pede mo tase de bibi ayedui simpane da chikito ahwan na wobotum wama simpaye krabohwe ahwan na wobotum wama yem beaches fefefewi ebinum so aba ho na wabaka de wo be invest ma yentwen obronya ansa na yetwa no kaka ankra na yewon yenuanom a wo akwantum encourage one. And then Kofu P will invest in only hotels. They be there won't croffa what ye juma was simple what it and can Iguay Kaswa. It was a cat to me invest war. I didn't see him. Man Kofu better than simple. We'll buy shopping malls. We'll buy shops. One kasa, one son, a juma buy shop. Naroka. Mwe nyisum there. The youth conference be papa bi be fimaba. Na yetum. Yaza ye blueprint. Na yaze achichir oman na pameka. Fellow youth of Efutu, the time has finally come for all of us to be proud of our destiny, to be proud of our pride, Efutu, to be proud of our heritage, and to believe in the Efutu dream, and to identify with the Efutu dream. I encourage all of you to get on board. I'm ready to lead. I am a proud deer hunter. I am a firm believer in the Efutu dream. Efutu is my pride. Efutu is my heritage. Efutu is my future. Efutu is my destiny. I love Efutu. And I believe you love Efutu too. God bless you. God bless our mother Ghana. God bless the beautiful land Efutu. God bless all its chiefs. God bless all the people of Efutu. I believe that we would get there with this dream in our hearts.